Meeting up with my sister so that she can pick me up and today's my niece's birthday party, so I'm gonna meet her in Central Park and she's gonna drive us to Long Island. So Thai food was pretty yummy. I usually like ordering pad Thai, like the same thing at every Thai restaurant, just to see like how like the restaurant makes it, because I feel like every restaurant makes like pad Thai so differently, and I just like to see like the restaurant's take on the pad Thai. The pad Thai that I ate was actually kind of sour compared to the other pad Thais that I've tried before, but yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Look, it's like so many people. Oh, excuse me? Do you speak English?
Yes.
Can I take your photo for you? I'm a photographer.
Yeah.
The real photographer is like, what are you doing? What are you saying?
The matching couple.
at the hotel. Wow. There's really an island here to eat with a bar stool, the sink, dishwasher, fridge, stove. Where's the light for this? Whoa! That scared me. Isn't that pretty neat? No, it's the sink. They have a what's the thing? The same thing in California. Oh, hold on.
We're going to Ikea.
Hmm?
We're going to Ikea.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
Took a day off from work today and spending time with my niece and mom today. And the first destination is Ikea. Haven't been there in forever, so looking forward to it. Also, I heard that they introduced a new ice cream. It's a strawberry flavored ice cream, so yeah.
Smells like
My mom, look, they're green. So
try the strawberry sauce.
finally coming here for the first time. This looks so good. Okay. Happy Saturday! Behind this really beautiful church that we might visit later. And right now we're heading towards Essex County Cherry Blossom Park. We actually came here last year and we're here again, but this time we're here at like a prime time where like all the cherry blossoms have bloomed. So yeah.
所以佢門口又唔可以擺張凳，如果唔係等我哋可以坐低食。
係咯，好咩啊？好逼。